Cloud Particle Scam, AD arrests VUNO founder Arif Nisar in 178 crore rupees Cloud Particle Scam. Jalandhar AD arrests VUNO founder Arif Nisar in 178 crore rupees Cloud Particle Scam. In a significant crackdown on financial fraud, the Jalandhar unit of the Enforcement Directorate, AD, arrested Arif Nisar, the founder of VUNO Marketing Services Limited, in connection with a major money laundering case. The arrest took place on Tuesday following a search operation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) 2002. According to AD officials, Nisar was apprehended from a hotel near the Indira Gandhi International (IGI) airport in Delhi and was subsequently taken to the Jalandhar AD office for further interrogation. He has been accused of orchestrating a large-scale investment fraud involving cloud particles, cheating investors, and laundering illicit funds through multiple entities. Following his arrest, Nisar was presented before the Special Court PMLA in Jalandhar, which remanded him to AD custody until March 4 for further investigation. Cloud Particle Scam. As per legal reports, VUNO Marketing Services Ltd and its associated firms allegedly misled investors into investing in non-existent cloud particles, promising lucrative returns. Under the fraudulent model, investors were persuaded to buy cloud particles or data center assets, which the company claimed would be leased back for profits. However, investigations revealed that these assets were insubstantial and did not exist. Zebite Infotech Pvt Limited, ZIPL, one of the companies under scrutiny, reportedly engaged in fraudulent transactions by showing fake purchases of servers from shell companies. The funds acquired through these illicit deals were then funneled into other bogus entities to launder money. Reports suggest that Nisar played a crucial role in organizing events to lure investors and perpetrate the scam. The case against VUNO Marketing Services Limited was initially registered by the Gautam Buddha Nagar Police in Noida under multiple sections of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, BNS 2023. The AD's investigation has uncovered that VUNO, along with its associated firms, manipulated investors with false promises of high returns while having no real infrastructure to support their claims. Over the past several months, the AD Jalandhar has conducted extensive investigations into the case. On February 6, 2025, the agency provisionally attached 6 immovable properties, bank balances across 73 accounts, and 26 luxury vehicles, cumulatively valued at approximately 178.12 crore rupees. The AD confirmed the development through a post on its official X, formerly Twitter, handle. Apart from VUNO Marketing Services Limited, several other entities have come under the AD's radar. As per a report by Dainik Bhaskar, searches were conducted at over 24 locations across Punjab, Haryana, and Mumbai, including cities such as Gurugram, Panchkula, Jind, Mohali, and Mumbai. These entities under investigation include Big Boy Toys BBT, Mandeshi Foods Private Limited, Plank. Private Limited, Byte Canvas LLP, Skyverse and Skylink Network. Companies are suspected of being involved in laundering proceeds generated from fraudulent activities. The authorities allege that VUNO and its linked firms used illicitly obtained funds to purchase high-end luxury vehicles and invest in real estate through shell companies. Earlier, on November 26, 2024, multiple premises linked to VUNO and its associated firms were raided by the AD under the provisions of the PMLA 2002. With inputs from agencies, Nation News Bureau report.